Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make money on a daily basis. So as you are spending money on a daily basis, you have to be making money on a daily basis. You can't be spending every day and you're not making money every day. I promise you guys that I'm going to be making research on the platform that you'll be making money on a daily basis, and also some airdrops that we'll be doing to make money. Okay, so this is ETH BTC. Okay, so first of all, you are going to click on the link below this video, in the description box of this video, or in the comment section. Or if you're in my WhatsApp group, just click on the link in the WhatsApp group and it's going to take you to your browser, okay, for you to register. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is for you to input your country code, find your country code and input your mobile phone number. Okay, so I'll look for Nigeria. So here is my country, Nigeria. Okay, so I will input my phone number. I'll input my login password here and input my security password here. Remember, login details is different from security password. Okay, then my Telegram, my WhatsApp, then I'll click on register. So I'll do that and come back. Okay guys, so I have input my login details, my Telegram, my WhatsApp, then I'm going to click on register. Okay, as you can see, it's successful. The registration is successful. This is actually a mining pool. We have mining pool, we have a invest plus. Okay, but we'll be talking about this mining pool here, because in this invest plus you can only invest money and they will give you your profit once. Both your profit and the capital is going to drop once. I'm not going to invest again. So we'll be making use of this mining pool. This mining pool, actually they're actually mining Bitcoin and some other coins. If you scroll up like this, you see them. They're mining BTC, Ethereum, and all of that. Okay, they're mining all of that. As you can see it here, they're mining XRP, they're mining Cardano, Solana, and all of that. If you come down here, you see their partners. They're partnering with Binance, Ethereum, Bitmain, Tron. As you can see them here, these are their partners. So I think this platform is actually good if you can give it a try. Remember, you need to do your own research. This is not a financial advice. Okay, I'm just taking a risk. So if you know that you're a risk taker, you can join me. Okay, so if you want to contact their customer care, this is their customer care. Okay, and it's working 24/7 in case if you have any problem or you win any promo or anything, you can just contact them and they're going to answer you. Okay, so once you come down here, you see recharge, you see withdrawal, you see VIP, activity, frequently asked questions, invite, about us, and app. Okay, so you can as well click on this me or any of these features to see how it works. Okay, so if you click on this invest plus, for some of you that want to invest, if you click on this invest plus, you see that it's ranging from 5 USDT, 20 USDT, and if you invest 5 USDT, you are going to earn 3%. It's just one time investment, okay? If you invest 20 USDT, you're going to earn 5% of 20 USDT, okay? If you invest 50 USDT, you're going to earn 9%, okay? So you just scroll so that you see all of them, okay? So you're going to click on this mining pool because I'm not investing. Even if I want to invest, it's not now, okay? So this is your mining power. If you deposit money now, you're going to see it here, okay? So this is mining power ranging from 10 USDT, 20 USDT, and all that, okay? So if you want to deposit money now, you can click on this improving computing power here, okay? Click on it, or you can click on this me here. So you can click on recharge, okay? You can click on recharge. Then you can select the network that you want to use, okay? So you can use BEP20 USDT. So you click on it. That's if you want to deposit. So you copy this wallet address. You just click on this copy to copy this wallet address. Okay, since you are depositing for mining pool, make sure that this first one is ticked because that is the one for mining pool, and this second one is the one for investment. So if you are investing, you click on the second one. If you're not investing, if you're depositing for mining pool, you click on the first one. And as you are making money daily, you are going to be withdrawing it daily, okay? It's a daily withdrawal. If you are earning $1 every day, you are going to be withdrawing your $1 every day. If you click on this withdraw now, if you want to use a TRX, you see that minimum withdrawal is 1 TRX, okay? If you want to use BEP20, click on BEP20, okay? You see that minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT BEP20, okay? So once you want to withdraw, once your money drop here after the daily mining pool, you can come here, you paste your wallet address that you want to withdraw to, your BEP20 wallet address. Then you can click on all, then you input your security password, then you click on confirm. You will receive the money in your wallet, okay? I've seen people that withdraw, so it's paying, even though I've not deposited, but I will deposit after making this video, okay? Okay guys, so this is actually what you'll be earning from your investments, okay? If you invest $10, you'll be making $0.5 daily, okay? If you invest $20, you'll be making $1 daily. If you invest $30, you'll be making $1.5 daily. If you invest $40, you'll be making $2 daily. If you invest $50, you'll be making $2.5 daily. If you invest $60, you'll be making $3 daily. If you invest $70, you'll be making $3.5 daily. If you invest $80, you'll be making $4 daily. If you invest $90, you'll be making $4.5 daily. If you invest $100, you'll be making $5 daily. As you can see, $200, $10 daily, $300, $15 daily, $400, $20 daily, $500, $25 daily. You can give it a try. Remember what I said, it's not a financial advice, okay? So I'm just making research to check ways that we can start earning on a daily basis from your comfort of your zone, okay? Please, if I'm not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share with your friends, okay? And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video or in the description box of this video. click on it to join my WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving updates. Okay, see you in my next video.